Welcome back to Boom Quiz. Would you rather snacks and junk food edition in video today? Don't forget to like and subscribe Boom Quiz channel. Ready? Go! Round 1. Would you rather eat McDonald's or KFC? Round 2. Would you rather never eat chocolate again or never eat cheesecake again? Round 3. What year was McDonald's founded? A. 1955, B. 1949, C. 1973. A is the correct answer. Round 4. Would you rather eat a gourmet restaurant for a week or at a fast food joint for a week? Round 5. Would you rather eat popsicles or ice cream cone? Round 6. Would you rather eat gelato or eat frozen yogurt? Round 7. Would you rather eat popcorn or puff corn? Round 8. Dunkin' Donuts or Starbucks? Which one do you prefer? Round 9. Find the odd one out. Wow, I saw a different Starbucks cup. Round 10. Would you rather Pringles Original or Doritos 3D? Round 11. Hershey's Chocolate Bar or Kit Kat Chocolate Bar? Round 12. Do you know this logo by Shadow? It's Subway. Round 13. Would you rather drink Red Bull or Monster Energy? I like Monster Energy. Round 14. How about this one? Coca-Cola or Fanta? What do you like more? Round 15. Would you rather eat Baskin-Robbins Pineapple Coconut or eat Baskin-Robbins Coconut? Round 16. Domino's Pizza or Pizza Hut? I like Pizza Hut. And you? Leave a comment below the video. Round 17. Would you rather be munching some Cheez-Its or some goldfish? Round 18. Which is the correct logo of Wendy's restaurant? C is the correct answer. Round 19. Would you rather give up pizza forever or give up ice cream forever? Round 20. Which cookie would you rather pick for a snack? Oreos or Chips Ahoy? Round 21. Would you rather enjoy a pack of Gushers or a fruit roll-up? Round 22. Find the odd one out. Yes, 1 point for you. Round 23. Which flavor of Doritos would you rather pack for a snack? Nacho cheese or Cool Ranch? Round 24. Cheetos has what animal as the symbol? A. Cheetah. B. Dog. C. Cat. Oh yeah, this is Chester Cheetah. Round 25. Which salty snack would you rather munch on? Pringles or cheese balls? Our video comes to an end here. How many points have you got? You can support us by clicking the like button and subscribing to Boom Quiz channel. Goodbye, and see you again!